A 2.5 magnitude earthquake struck near Odessa, Ector County, Texas, United States today on June 8, 2026 at 12:25 local time, or on June 8, 2026 at 17:21 Coordinated Universal Time. As reported by the EMSC on its website, the earthquake was located at a very shallow depth of 4.0 kilometers below the surface, at coordinates latitude 31.974 and longitude -102.314. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Towns or cities near the epicenter include Midland County, Texas, located 32 kilometers, or about 19.8 miles from epicenter. Andrews County, Texas, located 43 kilometers, or about 26.7 miles away. Kermit, Winkler County, Texas, located 75 kilometers, or about 46.6 miles away. The recommended course of action is to be vigilant for possible aftershocks that may occur. The weather forecast for the area near epicenter today is expected to be clear conditions throughout the day. Wind speeds of up to 16 miles per hour. From the south, let us pray that this earthquake will not have a major impact on our brothers and sisters there, and that there will be no more earthquakes. Amen.